Hi everyone. I'm going to do a Dutch pour flower on this little 6x6 canvas board. I'm going to make, I think I'm going to use like magenta and purple. These canvas boards come in a little frame, so after you're done you can put it back in and you got a frame. So this is my Amsterdam titanium white. Mixed with Floetrol and water. My recipe for this is Canilla Circo. She has a channel and she does awesome Dutch pours. So I'm using her recipe today. I can put a link underneath my video. Alright, so that Blue Violet by Amsterdam. I'm just debating, I think I'll put, this one is Permanent Red Violet by Amsterdam. And then I have Primary Magenta, Pebeo Primary Magenta. And then this one is the Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Now I'm debating if I should put a little bit of white. I'm going to use my mini blower, so I don't think so. How about a little bit of ultraviolet? By Amsterdam. Well, now I'm sorry I put that violet in there. Look at the pretty cells though. But, because I think it might be a little opaque. I don't know. These are pretty. Well, let's just see what it looks like when I'm done. Because sometimes they don't look the greatest, and then you play around with it and they're awesome. I probably put a little bit too much paint because I got hard to figure out how much to use. I should do another one. Let me play with this one first. Colors look good together though. And I like 5 petals the best. Well, it's actually growing on me now, see? Oops, something's in there. Oh, what could it be? What could it be? Oh. I don't think I'm gonna blow it. I'm just gonna. I wouldn't mind the ends coming off a little bit here. Sorry about that noise. I think it's my neighbor doing his snow blower. We had a big snowfall today. Well, I like these colors together now that they're all blended. No cells. anything else. I'm just going to see how it dries. Pretty dark. I need to use less paint. I have a hard time doing that. Let's try another one. This is very pretty. I'll let this one sit. Hi everyone. Okay, for the second one, I scraped one, mixed all the paint together. So that's the background. Put a little bit more white in the middle. Let's try this again. This is the red. Permanent red violet. Blue violet by Amsterdam. Let's see what we get. Oh, I didn't get very many cells this time. It's not too bad. Oh, something in there again. See, it's starting to look really pretty now. I think I'm going to leave this one and see how it dries. I think it's rather pretty. Yeah, let's see how this dries. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this one. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Comment below. Hit that bell for notifications. You'll be notified when I do a new one. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. Well, here's the dried canvas boards I used. I wouldn't really recommend these for this technique. The paint was very thin and they warped a little bit. It didn't move or do anything, but this one dried pretty good. It's got a few little cracks up here, probably because the paint's thin on this, and it's soaked into the canvas, I think. And a few here, some here. It didn't do that when I used it on a tile. It didn't do that, so I don't know. Same mixture. Anyways, there they are. And yeah, I'll be doing these maybe on a larger canvas or a tile. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.